In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your project from Lovable.Dev to Cursor AI. Transitioning projects from one platform to another can sometimes be daunting, but with these steps, you'll find it's much easier than you might expect. So let's jump right in and get your project set up in the new environment. First, start by opening your project in Lovable.Dev. This is where all your hard work is currently housed, so make sure you have access to all the necessary files and resources within your project. Once you're in, you'll want to direct your attention to the top right corner of the interface, where you'll find the GitHub icon. Clicking this icon will initiate the connection process to your GitHub account. If this is the first time you're linking your GitHub account, follow the prompts to complete the authorization process. This might feel like an extra step, but it's crucial for setting up a secure connection between Lovable.Dev and GitHub. When you've successfully connected your accounts, you can proceed to transfer your project directly to your GitHub account. Doing this will create a new repository with all your project's code, and it'll even set up a two-way sync, meaning your work on both platforms stays in harmony. Now, once the transfer is complete, copy the URL of the new GitHub repository. This link is what you'll use to bring your project into Cursor AI. Let's move over to the next step, which is opening the Cursor AI application on your computer. Upon launching Cursor AI, navigate to the home page or use the File menu to find the option labeled Clone Repo or Clone from GitHub URL. It's a straightforward feature that allows you to import repositories directly into Cursor AI. In the field provided, paste the URL you copied earlier from your GitHub repository. This action is a simple copy and paste, yet it forms the backbone of your whole transition process. After pasting the URL, the next step is to choose a local folder on your computer where you'd like to store your project files. It's generally a good idea to pick a location that's easy to remember and access, as this will save you time whenever you need to make edits or run tests. After selecting your desired folder, click Open to begin the cloning process. This will copy all of your project's code files to your local machine. At this point, everything is almost ready, and you're just a few clicks away from starting to make some magic happen in Cursor AI. With all the files transferred over, you can now enjoy full control over your code within Cursor AI. This new setup not only gives you access to powerful tools for making changes, but also ensures that your project remains as dynamic and robust as possible. And that's it. You've successfully exported your project from Lovable.Dev to Cursor AI, ready for your next round of innovations.